What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when you are unable to install the new iOS 16 update on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, make sure that your iPhone or iPad is using a Wi-Fi connection to download the latest iOS update. In some cases, your iPhone won't update unless you use a Wi-Fi connection. In addition, you should test your Wi-Fi connection to make sure that it's fast enough to download the 3 to 5 GB update. In this case, I am using an application called Speed Test, which you can download from the App Store for free. If your network connection seems fine, then head over to your Settings application. Here, under General, tap on iPhone Storage. It might take a couple of seconds to load your storage information, and when this is done, you can preview if you have enough available storage left. I'd suggest having at least 4 GB left to download the latest iOS update. You can follow the storage recommendations, such as deleting watched movies or unwanted apps from your device. When this is done, you should make sure that your VPN connection is disabled. This update might not yet be available in the region where your VPN connection is set. In your General Settings, tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure that your iPhone is setting the time automatically. Lastly, navigate back to your main settings and tap on Screen Time. Here, under Content and Privacy Restrictions, make sure to disable all restrictions before trying to update your iPhone or iPad. After making all of these changes, it's suggested to restart your iPhone before trying to install the latest iOS update. Also, make sure that your iPhone is charged or plugged in order to download and install iOS 16 on your iPhone. More tips on how to fix this common problem can be found in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.